I'm going to show you how to change room on Replika AI. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your app first. Just find it, which is right over here. Just go ahead and tap there. And at the corner of the screen, you can see multiple options. You just need to find the top left corner where you can see a certain icon of home button. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you're here, right at the bottom, you can see options of clothes, appearance, and room. Just go ahead and tap on room, and now you can change the features in whatever way that you want. If you no longer want a guitar, then you can just tap on it to remove it. But if you want it, then there it'll be. If you want some books, you can add them like this. If you want a lamp or a plant, and have the option to add a camera. Some of the options are optional, like you can either have one or the other, like this. And in this way, you can change your room. If you want to make some big changes, then you can purchase some things that you would like a sofa or a fireplace. You can also buy pet. There's also the option of the basketball court, flamingos, bedrooms, and many more. So you just need to earn some gems and coins, and then you can make some changes to your room on Replika AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.